Homeowners, do you want to save time, money, and free of stress in 2025? Here's what's not to do in 2025 on this episode of Ryan in Real Estate. All right, welcome back. Happy New Year. We are now officially in 2025. My, how it has flown by, and we've always appreciated your support. Thanks for taking a minute to watch us. For those of you that are there, that are taking in this content, we appreciate it. Hopefully it's helpful to you. All right, 2025 is here. Home resolution list. I'm gonna give it to you today. Everybody's making New Year resolutions. I'm gonna have you make a homeowner resolution list. So what is in that list? I'm really gonna give you 3 simple things that you should have. Number 1 is first, don't skip regular maintenance. We're talking clogged gutters, AC, HVAC filters, all those things are in the house that are just normal, regular routine maintenance that keep the house looking nice. Make sure in 2025 that you are staying up with that. Some great tips are, if you have like HVAC filters, get them automatically set up on Amazon so they are delivered to you every time you need to do them, whether it's, I've had other videos on this suggested at 1 month or 3 months. 1 month you have pets, 3 months you don't. That's just one thing, but try to automate this as much as possible. Lots of ways to do that, but take a homeowner checklist, look at all the maintenance that you have to do and stay up with that regular maintenance. Secondly, do not ignore energy efficiency. As you have seen, prices are getting higher, electric bills are getting higher, and so the more efficient you can be with your energy, the better. That being said, where can you do that at? LED bulbs, that's simple. That can slash your electric bill by quite a lot. I did a whole video, as you can see here, on how to be more energy efficient and what are some smart features that can help you with that, making sure you're just being energy efficient as you possibly can. All right, number 3 and lastly is, if you're thinking potentially ever about selling, don't over-personalize your home. Bold choices can often scare buyers away. So stick to neutral designs and those like easy to reverse updates that you're doing in your home, so that if you are going to sell, you are not so niched down that you're preventing other buyers from getting your home. Look, these are not that hard. It's literally 3 things. You can do this. I know you can. Probably the top 3 things I'd say right now you shouldn't do. Simple as these don'ts are going to help your home be in great shape and save you in the long run for sure. Know somebody else who might like these tips. Do me a favor, share this video. Otherwise, we'll see you next time on Ryan in Real Estate.